Lord, I come to you, let my heart beat change, renew, flowing from the grace that I found in you. Lord, I've come to know the weaknesses I see in me will be stripped away by the power